Hello there! Get iOS style keyboard with iOS emojis on Android, just like these. Make sure to watch till the end. Let's check my default keyboard first. So here I'm currently using Google Keyboard with Android font and Android emojis. And here, I still have the Android emojis. Now go to description and click the download link. Download this application. Then install the app. The other application is optional. If you have Apple or Realm device, install it so you can apply the iOS emojis directly. Now let's open the app. Grant all access permissions. Change keyboard as default keyboard. You can select here which font to use in your keyboard. You should also turn on sound on keypress, or you may want to turn on the vibrate feature. Then customize more typing options. So here we can easily test the keyboard. So this is the regular iOS font with iOS emojis. You can also change it to different font styles. Now let's test it here on the Notes app. Then here's the iOS medium bold font on keyboard. With iOS click sounds. And iOS emojis on keyboard only. But if you want to apply iOS emojis on your device too, you may follow this method. For Oppo, Realm, or OnePlus, install the other application. If you have another device, try to search for the iOS emojis tutorial on this channel that would be compatible to your device. After installing, go to Settings. Change region to Myanmar. Then find Support Die options. Then turn on this feature. Now go test your emojis and iOS keyboard again. Testing new keyboard and emojis. This current keyboard setup doesn't have predictive bar, but you can easily turn it on the keyboard settings. So there, the emoji is also reflected on your device. Click on the globe icon to change language or open clipboard or app settings. Subscribe for more.